Welcome to Steve-O's Outdoors. I'm your host, Steve-O. Let's build a portable takedown target stand. In case you ever go off grid and want to do some target shooting, what I did is I went to the hardware store and had them cut the PVC pipes to the right requirements. It only cost me about $45. Let's get started. So what I did is I got 2 T-sprockets, 4 elbows, 4 of them cut at 18 inches and 2 of them at 22 inches. And then the 2 long ones are 6 feet. So then one 22-inch goes on top, one on the bottom, and then the 18-inchers go on each side and connect to the T-sprocket. And now we place the 6-foot pipes in each of the sprockets. But don't push those down in too tight because you're going to have to take them down when you're done. Then all you do is just hook the target up on top.